I kind of am afraid to do my cheeks.
Oh my gosh.
The key is less is...
If makeup dates back hundreds to thousands of years ago, what did ladies use in their beauty routine back then? Today we're gonna try to recreate some makeup from the ancient world and learn a little bit about how makeup got its start.
Just learning about different civilizations.
I went to school for fashion, so I took art history classes, and that's my favorite part.
What they use, how they just did everyday life.
Well, I majored in it.
I was in AP history, but out of all my AP classes, it wasn't my favorite.
You majored in it, so she's smarter in it.
Which is interesting because they couldn't go to Sephora or Ulta back in the day. They had to like make it.
I loved trying to understand everyday life in the past.
Smarty pants over here.
No pressure, I should know what I'm talking about, maybe.
I need some color and some highlight, so as long as I can still do that with ancient makeup, then I guess I'm good.
So we're gonna start with skincare.
Cleopatra was a legendary beauty, fact.
It is said that she bathed in milk, honey, and olive oil.
We're just gonna eyeball
Oh!
I'm gonna go with honey first.
I'm doing maple syrup because I'm vegan. This is one for all my vegans out there.
Made this like really cool like ring.
This feels awful.
Now I want to go to an Italian restaurant and have
the bread.
and olive oil.
Oh, it's phenomenal.
I mean, I got that dewy look.
I just want to go to a spa now.
It feels soft. Feel it, feel it.
Yes, a healthy layer of olive oil.
IPSY spa. Can we make that a thing?
Yeah, let's do it. For the brows, burnt almonds.
Egyptian women used burnt almonds to paint their brows black.
Okay.
Crossing fingers this goes well.
It's like a campfire. It's like we're making s'mores.
We understand that our ancestors had a lot of time on their hands. This is worse than watching paint dry.
This doesn't smell so hot.
This would probably be easier with a bigger fire.
Or they probably put this in some kind of container.
They had a lot of time to kill back then.
Oh, there is some color.
Is it? Oh yeah!
You kind of have to pack it on.
Can't really shape them or make them look good, but they are colored in.
Okay, this isn't
me
really
see.
my color, but
It looks good.
Can you see the
Nice.
difference?
it's kind of cool that they were resourceful back then.
Or not?
Food as a way to use cosmetics too.
Did you just eat a
Okay, next up we have the product that I'm looking forward to, which is Kohl.
Kohl is one of the most well-known cosmetics.
It was made from heavy metals with high concentrations of lead salts. Egyptians processed and filtered the materials.
So we're just putting this on like regular eyeliner. Or do we want to do like ancient eyeliner?
Ooh!
Oh, this is why they had the big smoky eye.
Eyeshadow palette actually comes from ancient times too.
Trying to make me look bad. She's so smart.
This thing is too thick to get precise.
Oh girl!
Yes! We going intense.
I'm all over the place.
I'm not from that time, so
No.
I'm not an expert. Doesn't look the greatest, doesn't look the worst.
So Egyptian women often use this natural pigment as lipstick and cheek stain.
Brown, finely, and mixed with water.
Very, very pigmented.
Ooh, this is a really beautiful red.
Oh my God, I'm gonna look like a Raggedy Doll.
I kind of am afraid to do my cheeks.
Oh my gosh.
I can't even put on red lipstick properly normally.
People at home, start with your lips.
Don't use a lot.
But thankfully, my face is all oily.
It'll all melt off anyway. I do like applying with my fingers though. I've never done that before.
This is a little too much colored.
The key is less is...
This is very messy.
Ooh.
And you.
You know what this reminds me of? Don't taste it. Taste good.
I fully understand back then they were very good with their resources and didn't have to use too much.
Put on makeup every day and I look pretty decent.
This is the best we're gonna get. It's not looking too hot.
If I took a history test in the ancient world makeup on application, I would definitely fail.
Clearly the ancient Egyptians had a knack for science and like
Smart.
knew how to make cool cosmetic
Yeah.
products.
This isn't everyday. The almonds burning. I couldn't hang. I guess I was born in the right century.
So I did like the skincare that we did. It was just all natural ingredients.
Very thankful to be born in the 90s.
Makeup is a way to empower individuals, and I think by them getting the ball rolling and creating something for cosmetic purposes,
Paved it for all of the rest of us.
The way they did makeup led to how we do makeup now. So we thank our
Exactly.
ancestors for
Yes.
that.